Good morning. I'm not out hiking today, I'm just doing a local walk in the Sydney area. I thought I'd showcase some of the walks that you can do which are quite nice and kind of gives you that sense of being out in the bush even though you're in the middle of the city. So today I'm doing a walk from Torilla to Bexley North, following Wolli Creek. So to get to this walk, I caught the train to Torilla train station, which is about 1 minute that way, and then it's a short walk to the start of the track, which is just here. So I'm going to be going along here and then back to Bexley North. Well, I'm just about at the end of this walk now. I'm just arriving, or about to arrive at Bexley North. It's really only a super short walk, not really even a hike. I suppose I just wanted to encourage people to make the most of what you've got local, and if you've got parks or reserves that you can get out and enjoy, then get out and enjoy them. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll hopefully get out and do some proper hiking soon. Yeah, and I'll see you next time.